Hey everyone! Welcome to the English Boy Language Journey. And today we are going to break down letter combinations and how to pronounce them.
C and H, shoe. Okay?
Church. Church.
Church. Church. Okay?
Chair.
Chair. Chair. Oh, it's great. Okay, I get it. I get it. Chemistry. Yeah? I'm pretty sure about this one.
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in! Before we begin, I want to make sure you understand something important. Of course, you can learn the theory, and it's crucial to know the most common rules. But, there are many more letter combinations than what we'll cover today, or what you'll find on YouTube. English is full of exceptions and rules that sometimes don't seem to follow any logic. That's why I highly recommend practicing everything we talk about today. I believe a lot of people, myself included, have learned this way. It's really effective and it will be really good for you too. But first, the theoretical part. And first, let's look at vowel combinations. Vowels in English are A, E, I, O, and U. Some vowels combine to create unique sounds like A and I, as in rain. It's long A sound. Rain. I see rain from the window. Okay, it's not raining, but still, good example. Wait. I wait for the bus. Then E and A. Read, long E, and head, short E. Eat. I eat lunch at 12. Head, short E. My head hurts. Oh, my head hurts. Let's go to the next. O and I, as in point, makes an O sound. Point. She pointed to the map. Or join. Can I join the game? Can you join the game, please? O and U, as in cloud, but it has several pronunciations. Cloud, ow, like A and U. I see a white cloud. And second pronunciation is enough, like A, enough. We have enough time to finish the task. And the third, could, just U sound. I could help you with your homework. Good job! Here we are. Let's break down consonant combinations. And first one is C and H, makes the ch sound. Chair, I sit on the chair. Or cheese, I eat cheese for lunch. The second is S and H, makes the sh sound. Sheep, do you see any sheep in the sea? Or shop, they buy food at the shop. Then T and H can be voiced or unvoiced. Its voiced is V. You can make it loud, like V, and unvoiced, only without sound, just th. Only air comes out of mouth. Think, unvoiced. Think. What do you think about him? What do you think about him? And now this. This is my book. This is my book. Let's go to the next. P and H sounds like F. F. Phone. I have a new phone. Or photo. The photo is on the wall. K and M. Silent K. You pronounce only N sound. Knee. My knee hurts. Oh, my knee hurts. Or knife. I cut with a knife. Thank you for watching the video. Support me with a like. And see you soon.